traders, I've just taken a trade in this oil. I just want to show you what I'm seeing. This is the daily oil here. So we sold off from here in October, consolidated, just couldn't break through this level here, so we dropped, and then there's a trend line here which we held on the daily chart, and then we moved right back in, slammed into resistance for all of this area here. That's where we came down from in late October. Now we burst up through here, so I've just bought the lows down here. It's a hammer. I've got my stop under the 90, so it's a pretty close stop. Just want to see if any fiscal cliff news can just lift this up to 92 area here. If not, then I get a small stop out, and then that's fine. I'll leave it. But just let's see if this retest of the hammer down here is going to hold. If we can close, we need to start closing above 90.40, 90.50, and then to see if we can bump up into this area here. Okay, so I'll just pause the video and just see how this works out. Oil pits are opened half an hour ago. The Dow is literally just about to open. So I will just see how this works. This is the 5-minute chart. So you see there's the nice, so we sold off in the Euro session, came back to the big 90, big move up above resistance level. So that's why I want to see 90.35, 90.40, 90.50 hold, to see if we can climb our way out of this. So this price level down here, 90.25, 90.27 held. Now I just want to find out if we can get back above 40 or 50 and start to make some progress here. So I'll pause this video now and wait till the Dow is open now, and Dow's not open well. Let's go to the Dow. So that's not a good close at all. Let's see how this is going to go. Last I looked, that's dropped fast, because last I looked the Dow was up here. That's a pretty nasty fall. Obviously we've got a decent level of support down here. Let's just see if the US are going to buy this then. In the meantime, the oil is just above 40. This 5-minute bar here, this 5-minute chart here is doing well. Let's keep that one out of the way for the moment. So if we start to close up here, you can see this trend line coming down, and then maybe we can do something. But get back under here, under 37, and that could just sell. Okay, so the Dow's open a couple of minutes ago, and we're starting to see a little bit of a push here now. So from this move up here on the 5-minute chart, this level here sustained this. If we are going to get head and shoulders here, then this is the neckline. This is the area I'd want to see holding. At the moment we are. So let's just see how we go. I'm not sure if I pointed this out. This was a hammer on a fib level on the 60-minute chart. So we've hit two major pivots, and we've been talking about this a lot in the videos in 2013. The big round number is a pivot. Obviously the fib level is a pivot. This is, it's a hammer with low RSI, not extreme RSI. So it's not quite a high probability as possibly an extreme RSI hammer would be, but nonetheless it has a couple of pivots to support it. So just looking to see if we can hold up here. The hours tick by as we get towards the fiscal cliff talks, then maybe I can get something out of this. Let's see. Okay, getting a bit more of a push here. So this 90 level here is, and there's major support in the daily. At the moment it's holding. At the moment. And the 60-minute chart on the back of this hammer is now retesting the 50 EMA. That could well be a fade here. This is the first retest after this breakdown, so this is a major level of resistance, and I suspect could see some profit taking up there. We've got a daily pivot up here at 90.84, just up in this area here, with resistance up here. So it's just a question of time. Let's just see how the day unfolds and see if we can sustain these higher levels and get a bigger push up to this resistance level. Dow in the meantime is doing okay. I've got a daily pivot here at 9.30. We're currently 9.40, so on the back of this hammer here at 8.72. Got a retest at the open, and we're getting a push up into 9.70. So let's just take it one step at a time and see how we go. Alright, I'll just pause this again and I will come back and talk to you later. Okay, just getting a little push here, getting close to this area of resistance at 1990. Let's just see if we can bust through all on the back of this hammer. So it's taken a couple of hours to get up here. Let's just watch it and see just how far this can go. Look at the 5 minute here. I'll just wing this over. You see, this is the area I marked off before. This is the pullback area here, 90.25. Rejected the 2 EMA in the 5 minute at first, pulled back to the 8. This is just the typical flow of the markets. And here we are at 1995, having retested 1997. Okay, obviously a lot of resistance up here. Yeah, big round number. We sold off here in the Euro session, so there will be a lot of profit taking up here. Just a question of whether we can close up here and move further up, or what they want to do with it. So pause it again, and I'll come back to you in a few moments. Okay, getting a nice little acceleration up here. This area here, as this S1 pivot worked really well. We held. It's not unusual for them to take it underneath it, and I was looking for 90.40 to hold, looking for 90.50 to hold, and here we are looking as if we can bust up even higher. Currently at 91.12 and still going. Alright, this is exactly what I was looking for, but for me the key for this was all in the daily. Look at this daily. It really, if we pan back from here, huge trend line here we held at 85, busted up here, got a little too expensive, came across this resistance, pulled back to support at 88.40, and busted up through the 90 area, pulled back to the 90 area today, got bought, and there we are. I was concerned about this seller's bar on Friday, but all the market wants to hear about is the fiscal cliff, and no idea what's being talked about on that, but at the moment we are getting this push. Come back to you later. So you can see, yeah, this support level here has held, and sorry, let me just get my pen, sorry, just coming into this resistance level here. 91.50 is the next level, so just a question of whether we can still come up from here and push up through here and get into this trend line here. Okay, so I'm going to leave the video here. So you can see we've had a nice move up from this 90 level, so we're 128 points up from the 90 level and hitting resistance. And let's just see if I'm going to leave this with a, I'm going to lock in some profits now. I'm going to get my stop underneath this support level here and see if I can get up to 92. Alright, I hope that helps. So I'll be locking in, let me see, I've got 91 here. I'm going to have to go under 91. So I'll be locking in about 25 points, no, more than that. I'll be locking in 90 points profit to see if this can hold and push up. Okay, so I'm going to get my stop just under that 91 and to see if I can get the move. Okay, I hope that helps, and I'll do more of this. Excuse me. beg your pardon. I will do more of these live trades into the new year. Okay, have a great time, have a great evening, and look forward to working with you in 2013.